everyone, and welcome to my YouTube video. My name is James. Today we are going to make just a normal bracelet, and we use two bead colours, and I'm going for green and there's a shiny colour. Now the beads that I'm using are these beads I got from old bracelet. In my previous video I taught you guys how to get, how you can get a charm from sheen, so this one, and then attach it to a bracelet bracelet strap. And then the other previous one that's just that I've just done before was how to make your handmade charms and then attach it to the strap. So this one is slightly different. This one I'm going to teach you how to make a bracelet with no attachments. You just slip it on and then you go. You're ready to go. So let's start making. So what you will need is you'll need elastic, special elastic for bracelet making, and I got these from Amazon, so I will paste in the link where I got them from. And you will need a snipping tool. Now you can buy these from anywhere because you normally use these for snipping off cotton from when you're doing sewing. So I will try and find some, and I will put in the link for you so that you can have a go. And also you'll need one of these or something to stop the beads from coming off. See if one of these. This is really handy. I got this from Amazon. I will post the link on this YouTube video. This stops the beads from coming off the elastic. What you do is you get your little bead stopper, and then you put the elastic in the bead stopper so that it stops your beads from falling off. And then you get a colour, but I'm going for green, and you thread it through. This is normally quite a lot of people already know how to do this, but I just thought maybe it might be nice for people who have kids or people who are starting off making jewellery, who would be able to know how to who would want to be taught how to do this. So yeah, there we go. And what I do is I do different colours. Sometimes I have 3 colours, but I'm doing 2 colours. So I've got like a green and I've got a shiny purple, purpley sort of like silvery purple, which kind of looks like this, and it will look really nice. So you can make one for kids size, you can make one for adult size. I'm going to make one for adults because I did try to do one for kids size and it snaps. If you don't tie them properly, they will snap. So you do need to tie a good couple of knots and make sure that they're nice and tight. So you just keep going until and then you have to size them up that it's a nice size for your wrist. And that's what I do. I make sure that it's the right size for my wrist. You just keep going in a nice pattern, green and silvery purple, green, silvery purple. Just keep going so that you've got a nice pattern. And then we had to see if it fits the wrist, and it fits the wrist okay actually. A little bit big, but I could take 2 of these off actually. You have to undo the thing for that. So yeah, take off 2 of those, you should be okay. And then what you do is you tie it up. Make sure it's nice and tight though, because otherwise it'll come off and it'll snap. You tie it up. Make sure it's tight. And then what you do is you get these little snippers. And then you snip it off. Snip off the ends. Snip off the ends like that. And there you go, you got a bracelet you can put on, slip on. There you go, my wrist is a little bit big, but you've got a small wrist. Got a nice bracelet. Sorry, nice bracelet. There you go. Well, thank you very much for watching the video, and if you like this video, please put a like on it and put in the comments if it was easy to make or if it was hard to make. And if you liked the colours, put a like on or write a comment to see what colour, if you like the colours. And good luck in making your bracelet. If you like my channel, please subscribe, because I do make other videos than just bracelets. I'm planning to do other things. But yeah, thank you for watching.